Hey everybody, it's John Stiles with Bridge Realty. I wanted to share a quick tip for anybody that's using Quickbooks to track their rental income. And as you're preparing your CRP forms, obviously you need to know how much rent did you collect for each tenant. Now, if you just have one tenant and they were there for the full year and the rent's just $1,000, it's not that difficult. $12,000 is what you collected. But if you've got multiple units with multiple tenants and some of them moved in halfway through the year, or others, their rent went up halfway through the year. Now you've got some more complicated calculations that aren't as easy to do in your head. So you should be able to pull a report from whichever software you're using in order to get that information. So I want to show you how to find that if you're using QuickBooks. So here is QuickBooks. It's an older version, 2015. But what you're going to do is, of course, after you've entered all your rents, go to the Reports tab and then scroll down to where it says Sales and then click on Sales by Customer Detail. Now, I've already done this ahead of time and I've taken some screenshots so that I'm not sharing exactly the different rental locations and amounts, or tenants, I should say. So I've filtered it and I've screenshot it. So anyways, this is an example of what you might see. Initially, when it comes up, it's going to show just the current month and just what you've collected in that month. And what I recommend is you click on this Customize Report button, and that'll bring up a tab that looks like this. And so you want to make sure that the dates you are looking at is the last fiscal year, or January through December. Also, you want this report to show just cash, not accrual. So that's important. We're just going to be reporting rent actually received. Next, you're going to click on the Filters tab, and you want to click on this drop-down menu that shows different accounts, and yours might be titled something different, but for me, I'm going to select rental income. That way, if there's any other cash received, say for a security deposit, a late fee, or any other money received, you're not reporting that on your CRP form. So click on just the line item, just the account type that is your rental income. And again, you're going to get a report that's something similar to this. It'll show all the different payments throughout the year. And you can add it up, see if it makes sense. You receive 12 payments from this particular account. And it shows you the individual amounts. You can see the rent went up midway through the year. And then it shows you the balance, paid amount. So that's what you can use to enter in on the CRP forms. Of course, you need to divide it by the number of residents at the property. But hopefully this is helpful if you are using QuickBooks. Of course, if you're using some other software, there's going to be a different process, but maybe something similar. So hopefully that's helpful to you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this particular process, feel free to message me. Hopefully I can help you. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Take care.